This is the Philips Wake Up Light, model number HF352001. In its simplest form, it's a really nice bedside light with up to 20 different settings for different brightnesses. It really does output an impressive 300 lumens of light. Across the bottom of the light we have the current time. We also have 4 touch sensitive buttons, and here you can select the menu and set 2 separate alarms, also different natural sounds to wake up to, and also a sunrise feature where you can gradually wake up to an increasing brightness of light. This is a much more natural way to wake up rather than having a regular alarm clock. As well as the touch sensitive controls, there are also buttons around the circumference of the device. Around the back there's a nice loudspeaker and also an integrated FM aerial, allowing you to choose to wake up to the natural sounds or indeed the radio itself. As well as being able to wake up to the sunlight simulation, there's also a fall asleep function where the light will go gradually dimmer as you go to sleep. I think that the Philips Wake Up Light is an expensive proposition, but certainly one that wakes you up in a much better mood.